What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making chicken tinga on the Instant Pot. Let's start by making the sauce. We're going to be adding 3 tomatoes. These are raw tomatoes, they're not boiled or anything. We're going to let the sauce cook up with the chicken in the Instant Pot. So go ahead and add 3 Roma tomatoes to the blender. We're also going to be adding 2 garlic cloves. And I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of this Chipotle sauce. Normally I get the one with the peppers in it. If you get the one with the peppers, just add 3 peppers or 2 with 1 tablespoon of the sauce that's in that can. Since this doesn't have the peppers, we're going to be adding 3 tablespoons of the sauce. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon powder. This is the brand I use. So go ahead and add 2 tablespoons. Along with 1 cup of water. All right, now let's blend it up. Now we're gonna add about 1/4 of a white onion or yellow onion, but we want it sliced. So let's go ahead and slice it up. Go ahead and slice about half of this piece, so that will be about 1/4 of an onion. And then just cut these in half. I actually ended up using the whole half onion, so use half of a small white onion. Now add the sauce to the Instant Pot. Add 2 chicken breasts. Now add the onion that you sliced up. And just spread the onion evenly with the sauce. Now close the lid. And make sure this top piece is at sealing, not venting. So on the top. We're going to use the pressure cook button, and we're going to make sure the pressure level is at high. And we're going to cook this for 10 minutes with a natural release. So go ahead and cook it for 10 minutes, leave it alone, and it should start by itself. We did a natural release of about 15 minutes. That's what this L stands for, is elapsed time. So let's go ahead and switch this to venting. As you can tell, no steam came out because we did a natural release. Now let's check how it turned out. Now let's take the chicken breast out, and we're gonna shred it and put it back in. Now we're going to shred the chicken breast either with your hands or with 2 forks. Once you shredded your chicken, we're gonna add it back to the sauce. Which the chicken was super easy to shred. It was really tender. Now let's mix it up. Now taste it and see if it needs any salt. Mine needed a little bit. So let's go ahead and add a little bit of salt. Let's mix. And that's it. That's how you make chicken tinga on the Instant Pot. You can eat this with anything. You can eat this with rice, tostadas, nachos, you name it, anything.